In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow on LinkedIn without them knowing. LinkedIn, the professional networking platform, allows us to connect and engage with industry peers, share insights, and even follow leaders we admire for their updates and articles. But there might come a time when you decide to streamline your feed by unfollowing some connections. Maybe you've changed industries, or perhaps your interests have evolved. Whatever the reason, LinkedIn has made it possible to do this quietly without notifying the person. Let's walk through the process, ensuring your LinkedIn experience remains both positive and relevant to your professional interests. First, head over to the LinkedIn website. When you're there, you'll likely see two options for signing in: sign in with Google or continue with your account. If it's your first time logging in from a device or browser, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This is just an additional security step to confirm that you're not a robot. Once you're signed in, look for the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. This is where you'll type in the name of the person you want to unfollow. As you begin typing, LinkedIn will suggest profiles matching your input. Make sure to click on the exact person you're looking for from these suggestions. After clicking on their name, you'll be directed to a brief overview of their profile. To get to their full profile, where you have more options, click on View Full Profile. This step is crucial as it gives you access to different elements of their LinkedIn presence. On their profile page, you'll notice several options. One of them is Following. It signifies that you're currently following this person, and by clicking on it, you'll be taken to a page where you can manage this setting. Here comes the key step. Click on Unfollow. That's it, you've now unfollowed the person. And the best part, LinkedIn doesn't notify users when someone unfollows them, so you can be sure that your action remains private. A few things to keep in mind. Unfollowing someone doesn't remove them from your connections, it simply stops their updates from appearing in your feed, which means you can still view their profile and interact with them on LinkedIn as before. Also, if you decide you want to start following them again, the process is just as simple. Go back to their profile and click Follow. That wraps up our guide on how to unfollow someone on LinkedIn without them knowing. Remember, managing your LinkedIn feed is an important part of maintaining a productive and inspiring professional network. So, don't hesitate to curate your feed to match your current interests and career goals. Happy networking!